Was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much he sang this song. Sing it, Samuel.
Ooh, I love my white shoes. Ooh, I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Oh no!
Beat the pillow by a strawberry.
What color did it turn his shoes?
What?
Did Pete cry?
No.
He kept.
Walking around the same time. Ooh, I love my red shoes. Ooh, I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes.
Oh no!
Pick the banana pile of strawberries.
What did he step in a large pile of?
Blueberry.
What color did it turn his shoes?
Blue.
Did Pete cry?
No.
He kept.
Black and white. And this one. So here's your ticket. I love my white. No, that one's for me.
Okay, let me hold it. You read your book.
Blue shoes. I love my big blue.
Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of.
But
What color did it turn his shoes?
brown.
Did Pete cry?
No.
He kept.
Walking along. And sing the hair song. Ooh, I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. So good, turn the Pete.
Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of.
Walk.
And all the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes?
Wet. Wet.
He kept. Did Pete cry?
Mommy, I can see my outside.
Yep. Okay, sing a song.
Ooh, I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes.
The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your
Tom.
because it's all
New.
good.